feel weird. Oops, is that time? No, let me check the calendar. Oh no, not today. Sorry, do you have pet?
Oh, sorry.
Guys, sorry for disturbing. Do you have pet?
Sorry, do you have?
Why does this always happen at the worst time?
Women still face stressful, unexpected period emergencies with limited and often embarrassing situations. What if those situations could be hassle-free?
Don't worry, that hormone problem solved.
Introducing Hormone, Malaysia's first revolutionary menstrual care vending machine. With a bold vision to lead the nation in menstrual care innovation, Hormone isn't just a vending machine, it's a growth-ready movement supporting women everywhere.
Oh, wait, I want the feminine wash. Why don't we buy all in one kit?
Good idea.
With a simple tap and buy, Hormone also helps forgettable women quickly get pads anytime, anywhere, private, convenient, and stress-free.
Hormone's objective is simple: to give every woman instant, comfortable, and stress-free access to hygiene essentials. No queues, no embarrassment, and no searching for an open store. Just quick support that fits your lifestyle. What makes Hormone unique? We were proud to be a Malaysia's #1 hygiene care vending machine created to give a woman convenient solutions anytime. Designed by women for women. So our vending machine is available 24 hours, giving you access whether it is early morning, late night, or during a busy day.
Oops, it's that time. Need pads? Take your pick. 41cm pad for heavy flow period. 32cm pad for comfy day use. Panty liner for freshness. Tampon for active days. Disposable panties for emergencies. Or you can grab our best-selling all-in-one kit, your mini lifesaver. It has everything: pads, panty liner, tampon, disposable panties, and the best part is liquid soap for instant freshness. One kit, all settled.
Hormone delivers meaningful benefits to both users and society. By placing our menstrual hygiene care vending machines inside women's rooms, we provide something that truly matters: privacy. Privacy that protects dignity, self-esteem, and supports women during their most vulnerable moments. With 24/7 access, cashless payment, and digital QR, emergencies become stress-free and solved within seconds. For society, Hormone promotes healthier menstrual hygiene practice, helping reduce infection risk and supporting a cleaner, safer environment for all. And the commercial potential is undeniable. Demand for fast, convenient menstrual solution is growing rapidly, and we have interviewed some people.
Yes, I definitely buy it because first, it's really convenient, and especially when I'm facing an emergency time.
Yes, I will buy the product from your shop.
Ya, saya akan membeli produk Hormone kerana ia memudahkan saya. Lagi-lagi saya ni jenis lupa nak bawa dalam beg. Ya, saya akan beli sebab saya rasa saya tak pernah nampak lagi dalam Malaysia ada yang all-in-one set yang sangat complete. So for me, it's very convenient to everyone.
Positioning our vending machines in strategic public locations like higher education institutions, hospitals, malls, and airports, with a strong partner like Libres.
After sales benefits users by scanning our QR code on the vending machine to stay in touch with us by providing feedback, submitting any reports for a better experience, and receiving updates on our products on our social media for future purchases.
We participated in the Business Idea Competition Pitch Up 2025, where we had the opportunity to present our business concept. These visuals also highlight our team's participation in the competition, where we presented our proposal and engaged with the evaluation panel. And finally, this is our certificate of participation, acknowledging Hormone's dedications and involvement throughout the event. In summarize, our vending machine project solves a simple problem. Women need easy access to sanitary pads anytime, anywhere. By placing this machine in public spaces, we are gladly to make menstrual care more visible, accessible, and normal for everyone. For the future, we hope to grow from KL and Selangor to the whole Peninsular Malaysia and later to Sabah and Sarawak. We want every woman in Malaysia have access when she need it.